We're here in beautiful Pacific Heights, San Francisco, and we're touring 2698 Pacific Avenue. Now this 10,700 square foot, 4-story revival mansion was built in 1906 by Newsom Newsom. And it's absolutely fantastic. I can't wait to take you inside. Now, I'd like to thank Nina Hatvani at Compass for the opportunity to tour this amazing listing. The entire house is centered around this feature staircase. Now, later in the video, we're gonna go up there. It separates into 2 sides. You're gonna love it. But first, I'm gonna take you to this library. You see all this detail on the ceiling. We have a gas fireplace here. Normally, a big corner room like this would be the living room, almost always. But this house is so large that we can basically have 2 of these grand reception rooms. But what I really want to show you is the Audrey Hepburn room, or the living room. It really speaks for itself. When I first came in here, I couldn't believe it. Look at these ceiling medallions that are in gold. They just pop. The leaves painted on the walls is absolutely fantastic. If you could just take one friend to sit and have tea in the Audrey Hepburn room, who would that be?
It'd be you, Philip.
Thanks, Tommy. But let us know in the comments. I want to know who you would take here. Tommy, look at this dining room. Have you ever eaten in a dining room like this?
I have not.
We have these ceiling medallions, which are fantastic. This statement chandelier, and very intricate wood details all along here. And what I think I love most about this room is this casual seating area with this bay window. Now, tucked away here is the kitchen. Now, this is actually one of my favorite rooms in the house. I love the design of this kitchen. We have a more casual area over here for preparing drinks and staging your food, but coming around here, we have, this is fantastic. We have open pots and pans and food here. This pot hanger is fabulous. And then we have another kind of casual seating area here. I imagine having your breakfast, eating your Cheerios right over here. This wall of windows brings in a lot of natural light, and you even have a little bit of outdoor space. Here is our little pocket terrace, that I like to call it. That is just a hint of how much bay we're gonna see in this tour, so buckle up. Now let's head up the stairs. So we're immediately greeted by the stained glass right above us, offering amazing colors. This piece of art is really fun as well. It's birds that are sort of flying up towards the light. We have these columns kind of continuing that theme, and this is one of the most fabulous primary bedrooms I've ever seen. But we're not gonna show it to you just yet. We're gonna show you some of these rooms first.
All right,
and we're gonna come back. Yeah. First, we have this nice little room. Now it's being used right now as like a nursery type of room, but plenty good size for a queen bed. And my favorite part about this room is right here. We have a window in the closet.
I'm in the closet.
I think this is
a
really nice feature.
Yeah.
Now coming through to the second room. Really nice corner room. Love the wallpaper. And again, just a really cute, nice room. Now those 2 rooms, they share this bathroom, which in any other place, this would be the primary bathroom. It's a 5-piece, look at this tub.
It's so nice.
So nice.
Yeah.
But you haven't seen the primary bath yet.
It's time.
It is time. You've been patient, let's take you through
Let's do it.
All right. Now look at this room. I promised a view of the bay, and I feel like I'm delivering.
Yeah.
This is fantastic. A bay window with a view of the bay. You really can't beat that. Cove molding coming up to the ceiling, which has been painted blue and white, so it's actually like the clouds.
It does look like the clouds.
So if you're on the bed and you're looking out towards the bay, you see the sky, and it's just an unbroken line of just blue and clouds. So cool. If that wasn't enough, we're coming through to the dressing area. I don't care how much clothes you have, you could fit it in here, for sure. There's so much room, and really can't beat this bathroom.
Wow.
Look at this bathroom.
Yeah.
It really draws you immediately to the view. Tommy, look at this view. Just can't beat that. From your sink, this tub imagine sitting in that tub and looking out at that view. It's so nice. Now, as amazing as all of this is, we're not even done with this floor. And remember, the whole house is sort of bisected by this staircase. So as we come around here, we have more living area. First, I'll show you the bathroom. This would be probably your best guest bathroom for this floor. And coming through here, we have what I imagine as a screening room. I think this is a really nice room, especially with the marquee lighting, saying play right here. We have the studio light right back there. And even the closet, Tommy, if you come around, you can see.
Is that Marilyn Monroe?
Marilyn Monroe wallpaper.
Well.
Okay, now we're up to what I like to call the penthouse level. And you'll see why. We have a pretty amazing view of the bay here. And we're gonna be looking at this in a second. But why I call it the penthouse is because in old houses like this, you're allowed to build higher as long as it's not visible from the street. So here they were allowed to build this sort of curtain of windows all around the house and add a lot of sections here. We have a powder room here for guests. We have an office. I'd love it if this was my office.
Sealing some deals.
We have a pretty amazing bathroom. Double vanity with sort of a feature wall behind it. And coming through here, we have another smaller room with a daybed, corner. Another one of my favorite rooms that it's just so cool.
I love this one.
Tommy and I couldn't get over this room. We have a pet spa. So here's where you can wash your dog, which is really fun. This is actually becoming a really big thing in Manhattan, the buildings, including a pet spa in there. We have a sink, and we have another set of washing machines.
And earlier you mentioned just the vast amount of different types of marble and just the detail.
This backsplash here with the sort of wavy pattern is really fun.
It's nice.
This room has a quality all of its own. I really like that room. But this is the $1 million view. Looking out over here, you could have a party with 14 people here.
Oh yeah, it's
no
massive.
problem. And Tommy, come right around here. Here you can make your drinks.
Oh, are you gonna make me a martini? Thanks, Philip.
And it's just really fabulous. I love this blue color, the brass. It has almost a nautical thing. Let me just take you outside briefly.
Oh.
On the ground level of 2698 Pacific Avenue, we have a completely separate living area that could be a perfect guest suite, luxurious staff quarters, or a standalone ADU. There are 3 bedrooms, 2 with ensuite bath, and all with walk-in closets. This floor offers access to significant outdoor space, an absolute treat in San Francisco. A gated driveway leads to the spacious, finished garage. 2698 Pacific Avenue featured some of the most unique rooms I've seen in a single home. What was your favorite room? Subscribe to come with us on more tours. And if you had as much fun as we did, give us a like. Thanks for watching.